This video is an introduction to the new Builders Exchange of Rochester virtual Planroom, powered by ReproConnect. This video is for both standard and upgraded members. If you are a Plans Online upgraded member, additional features will be covered in a separate video. The link is in the description below. Otherwise, contact us at planroom@bexroch.com to upgrade your service. To begin, you'll need to log in to the virtual Planroom. You can reach the login by clicking the Virtual Planroom button in the top right of the Builders Exchange page, or by clicking Login on the home page. Log in to the Planroom. If you don't have or can't remember your password, you can use the Forgot Password tool. If we created an account for you during our initial import in spring 2023, you may need to use the Forgot Password option when you log in for the first time. On the home page, you'll see a list of projects recently posted and bidding soon. Up top, you'll also see a navigation bar with several different options. We'll go through each one. Under Public Projects, you'll see a list of all publicly posted projects. By default, this will be sorted by bid status, but you can change it to sort by date posted, project name, or company. You can also search within projects. You can search for specific terms present in the project, such as school or specific divisions. Note that when searching by CSI division, you need to use a 2-digit division number, as in division 09, rather than division 9. You should also be aware that not all projects include CSI divisions. Finally, you can also set up additional filters, such as filtering to projects that are currently accepting bids, type of project, or proximity to a particular zip code. Private projects is not yet in use. Under the project calendar, you'll find an easy-to-read calendar, which shows both bid dates in blue and pre-bid dates in gray. You can turn either type of date on or off by clicking on it. You can also switch between month view and list view. Under Upload Print Order, you can upload a file you want printed. This is helpful if you need to send a large file that's too big to be sent via email. Simply drag and drop the file and click Submit. Under Post a Project, you can send us a project you want posted to our virtual Planroom. Simply fill out the fields, upload any available files, and hit Submit. Next, we'll be looking at the Project screen. You can reach the page for a project by clicking on it from the main page, Public Projects page, or Project Calendar page. This is the project screen for standard members. Members with the Plans Online upgrade will have additional options, which will be discussed in a separate video. There are a few features that deserve additional explanation. First, if you want to receive email updates about a project, you must add yourself as a plan holder using the box near the top of the screen. If you change your mind later and don't want to keep receiving updates, simply remove yourself with the button in the same box. Second, standard members will be able to view bid tabulations when available. Those documents will be located here. Other files are restricted to Plans Online members. You can also view prime bidders, people who have let us know that they're bidding as general contractors and are soliciting subcontractor bids. Prime bidders may or may not be members. If you want to be added to the prime bidders list, please let us know. Finally, you can view a list of plan holders. This list will contain members of the Builders Exchange who have listed themselves as plan holders or who have downloaded files for this project. This concludes our tour of the Builders Exchange Planroom for standard members. For members with the Plans Online upgrade, please continue to the next video for more information.